Coconut oil is a superfood that should be included in your diet. You can consume it throughout the day, but it has specific benefits when consumed before bed. Here are 8 reasons why eating coconut oil before bed is good for you. Number 1. Feeling revitalized in the morning. Coconut oil provides energy for a longer time. This will increase your energy levels. Number 2. Better sleep. The healthy fats in coconut oil prevent blood sugar spikes that can interrupt your sleep. Coconut oil also helps your body produce sleep hormones. Number 3. Good for health. Coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, which help prevent obesity, dyslipidemia, hypertension. It also strengthens the cardiovascular system and helps regulate cholesterol levels. Number 4. Protects from viral and bacterial infections. Coconut oil strengthens the immune system and can prevent certain diseases such as influenza, herpes, and candida infections. Number 5. Good for digestion. Coconut oil is light and easy to digest, which means you're less likely to suffer from digestion-related problems. Number 6. Helps you lose weight. Medium-chain triglycerides keeps you full and satiated, preventing you from snacking late at night. It also improves metabolism and reduces fat levels in the body, especially in the abdomen. Number 7. Retains muscle mass. A study has found that coconut oil stimulates the production and activity of insulin, which helps the absorption of nutrients by muscles. Number 8. Healthier skin. Coconut oil can enhance skin health and prevent the signs of aging. It keeps the skin soft, supple, and glowing. You should always use organic, virgin coconut oil. Stay away from the refined ones because they contain hydrogenated coconut oil. You should use it in moderation because it is high in calories. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.